Hey, good morning, Miami Beach. Futurist Jim Carroll here. I'm here with the Process Equipment Manufacturing Association. Now, the easiest way to describe these folks is they make machines that help other people manufacture things. So what they need to do is they need to align themselves to the fast-paced change unfolding in the manufacturing sector. So I'm going to talk about those trends, and I'll give you a few examples. Number one, consider the issue of blockchain. Now, these folks manufacture a lot of food processing manufacturing equipment. Well, blockchain is going to come into the world of food manufacturing because it provides certainty over food safety, food security, food traceability. Think about that romaine lettuce. We don't know where it came from. So there's a lot of initiatives in the food sector to integrate blockchain into packaging. And so what these folks are going to discover is all of a sudden they have to become blockchain experts because the manufacturing equipment that they manufacture to help other people manufacture things is going to have to somehow incorporate blockchain technologies. Another example, 3D printing. A lot of my manufacturing clients, a lot of manufacturing companies are working with 3D printing as a pathway forward into the future. So these folks are going to have to look at what they manufacture to help other people manufacture things and think about how do they integrate 3D printing capabilities and technologies into that. Another example, intelligent packaging, packaging that becomes connected, hyper-connected packaging, packaging that interacts with mobile devices and the Internet of Things. Well, that's all part of this trend of a world of absolutely massive hyper-connectivity. So what they're going to discover is the packaging that they might be manufacturing or the machines that they build to help others manufacture things which utilizes packaging technology is all of a sudden going to have to integrate a lot of Internet of Things tech. So, sometimes you will discover that your future is determined by other people in other industries or by your clients and your customers. And that's what's happening here. The customers of these organizations are in a pathway of very significant change, very significant innovation. So these folks need to follow. They need to stay ahead of the trends, and that's what I'm going to put in perspective here this morning.